Yeah, what's up guys? It's Johnny. Welcome to Johnny's Whips. Thanks for joining me on another video. Just giving you guys an update as far as why I replaced the torque converter clutch solenoid on the 2002 Honda Civic that we're looking at. It's kind of hard to see it because I would have to remove this here, but I'm not going to do that right now. Where is it at? It's kind of hard to. There it is. Look, center of the screen right there. It's a 10mm bolt and black wire that just clips into it. It sits on top of the transmission behind the thermostat housing that you see there. And again, we're not going to be replacing it or repairing anything. We're just talking about why I replaced it. The video that I made on replacing the torque converter clutch solenoid got a lot of questions. You guys are asking me like why I replaced it. So, let's go inside real quick. All right, let's jump right in and check this out. All right, guys, so we got the 3140 RS Innova scan tool hooked up to the 02 Civic. And we have a code right now of a P0740, torque converter clutch failure. That's going to be one of the codes that it has. It has a few others, and I think they were evap leaks. Yeah, it's an evap control system leak. I'm going to deal with that later, but right now we're talking about the torque converter clutch failure that we have here. So, all right, when I got this car about 4 years ago, it was actually about 5 years ago, they told me that it did have some transmission issues, so I was expecting the tranny to go out, and it did go out shortly after. When I replaced it, I ended up putting a JDM tranny in it, and the OG tranny, the original one, went out at about 188,000 miles about 4 years ago. Now we're looking at 239,000 miles 4 years later. So before I put this JDM tranny that it has right now, the check engine light was never on. Once I put the tranny, the check engine light came on. I hooked up the scan tool here, and it told me the torque converter clutch failure, torque converter clutch solenoid. So I ended up replacing it, and that's the reason why I made that other video that you guys saw that you guys asked me about. But it didn't fix the check engine light. But as far as performance, the whip has been driving cool for the past 4 years. I don't have any performance issues at all with it. It hasn't given me any trouble. The check engine light does remain on, but like I said, though, there is no performance issues with it. So it does bother me that the light's on, but the car drives good. I use it every day. So people have told me that the ECU, because it's American on this car, it doesn't recognize the transmission because it's from Japan. I don't know how true that is. Let me know what you guys think. I also heard that where the torque converter clutch solenoid sits inside of the transmission, that it doesn't register that it's actually there, so it says it's missing or faulty. Man, I've heard so many different things, but the car drives good. It's been driving good for the past 4 years, 50,000 miles, no issues. And let me show you guys something real quick. Look at that. The original torque converter clutch solenoid from 4 or 5 years ago, man. The one that we replaced the first time. I don't know why I still have it, but it was sitting in the back, and I was like, let me bring that out for the video. Anyways, yeah, man, that was it. That's the reason why I replaced this torque converter clutch solenoid on the 2002 Honda Civic EX automatic coupe. I appreciate you guys watching, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe.